Hello lovers, welcome to LA Learning video. My name is Happy and today we are going to learn about sequence of service. Okay, let's start. Jadi teman-teman LA lovers, hari ini kita akan kembali belajar mengenai sequence of service. Kalau pada video sebelumnya kita mempelajari mengenai langkah pertama pada sequence of service, yaitu menerima reservasi via telepon, right? Now, the next thing is how to welcome guests into the restaurant. Yang selanjutnya hari ini akan kita pelajari pada video kali ini adalah bagaimana cara menyambut tamu yang datang ke restoran. Okay, so welcoming guests is very important. Karena ketika kita ada tamu yang datang ke restoran tempat kita bekerja, sudah tugas kita untuk memberikan layanan atau memberikan pengalaman makan yang menyenangkan bagi tamu tersebut, right? Pleasant experience. And a pleasant experience starts from when you welcome the guest. Dan kemudian, bagaimana sih caranya menyambut tamu yang datang supaya tamu tersebut memiliki pengalaman makan yang menyenangkan, right? So we're going to learn about that. The first thing that you have to do when you see a guest walking into a restaurant is, of course, you have to greet them. Anda harus memberikan salam atau menyambut mereka. So how do you say that? The basic or like the standard greeting is, of course, either good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, right? Kemudian diikuti dengan welcome to blah 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 restaurant. Lalu diikuti dengan how can I help you? Like that. So again, if we are going to do it all together, good afternoon, welcome to ABC restaurant, how can I help you? Or good evening, welcome to ABC restaurant, how can I help you? Like that. Nah, setelah teman-teman menyambut guest tersebut, guest tersebut bilang, oh saya mau makan malam, for example. And then what you have to ask is whether the guest has a reservation or not. Apakah guest ini memiliki reservasi atau tidak, right? So, to ask that, you just say, do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation? Again, do you have a reservation? Okay, very good. So, setelah itu apabila guestnya bilang, jadi kan setelah itu Anda tanya, apakah Anda memiliki reservasi, right? And then there are two kinds of answers, of course. Whether yes, they have a reservation or no. Nah, bagaimana jika guestnya ya, dia punya reservasi atau dia sudah reservasi, right? So, what do you have to get next? If your guest does have a reservation, you have to ask the name first. Setelah guestnya bilang, ya saya punya reservasi, atau saya sudah reservasi, apa yang harus teman-teman tanyakan pertama kali adalah namanya. So, by that, you just have to ask, may I have your name please? May I have your name please? Okay. Setelah teman-teman mendapatkan nama guest tersebut, lalu teman-teman cek kembali pada daftar reservasinya, lalu teman-teman sudah tahu kan dia mau duduk di mana, reservasinya untuk berapa orang, kemudian kursinya di sebelah mana, like that. So, and then you have to take the guest to the table. Teman-teman harus mengantarkan tamu tersebut dari entrance ke mejanya. So, as you do that, you say, this way please. Jadi sambil teman-teman menunjukkan jalannya, teman-teman bilang this way please, atau lewat sini basically. So, this way please. Nah, setelah sampai di mejanya, teman-teman bilang this is your table. This is your table. Nah, kemudian yang harus teman-teman lakukan biasanya adalah menarikkan kursi untuk mempersilahkan si tamu tersebut untuk duduk. Right? As you pull the chair, you say, allow me. Like that. Say, allow me. Okay, very good. Jadi, basically, sampai sini, di sini teman-teman sudah mengantarkan guest dari entrance dan sudah sampai ke mejanya, lalu teman-teman sudah mempersilahkan guest tersebut duduk. Right? And then after that, you can move on to the next step. Okay, but that is for when the table or the guests already have a reservation before. untuk contoh yang tadi adalah ketika tamu sudah memiliki reservasi sebelumnya, right? Nah, bagaimana kalau tamunya tersebut tidak memiliki reservasi? Okay, so if when you ask, do you have a reservation? And the guest say, oh no, I don't have a reservation. Yang kemudian teman-teman harus lakukan adalah yang pertama, meminta nama dari guest tersebut, right? So you can ask, may I have your name please? That, very good. May I have your name please? Setelah teman-teman mendapatkan nama dari guest tersebut, yang harus teman-teman tanyakan adalah di guest ini mau duduk di mana? Maksudnya adalah di area mana? For example, when you have beberapa restoran memiliki ada smoking area, ada non-smoking area, atau ada rooftop area, ada indoor area, ada garden area, like that. So basically, you're asking where this guest would like to sit. So by that, then you can ask them by saying this. Do you prefer blah 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 area? Like that. So say, do you prefer a smoking area or non-smoking area? Misalnya seperti itu. Atau do you prefer the rooftop area or indoor area? Like that. Or do you prefer the smoking area or non-smoking area, or do you prefer the rooftop area or indoor area? So it depends on what your restaurant have, like that. Oke, setelah teman-teman menanyakan tamu ini maunya duduk di mana, right? Lalu seperti tadi, lalu yang harus teman-teman lakukan adalah teman-teman mengajak atau mengantarkan tamu tersebut dari entrance ke mejanya, right? So what you say is, again, this way please. Mari lewat sini, seperti itu. So this way please. Kemudian setelah sampai di mejanya, tidak seperti ketika kalau misalnya sebelumnya ada tamu yang sudah memiliki reservasi, right? Lalu dia teman-teman hanya bilang this is your table, right? Tapi ketika teman-teman mengantarkan tamu yang belum memiliki reservasi, lalu sudah sampai di meja yang teman-teman rekomendasikan, nah di sini teman-teman harus menanyakan apakah meja tersebut cukup baik untuk tamu tersebut, oke? So basically you have to ask, is this table fine? Is this table fine? Which basically means apakah meja ini cukup baik atau apakah Anda mau duduk di sini? Like that basically. So again you ask, is this table fine? Like that. Nah, apabila tamu bilang, oh oke, yes, lalu teman-teman bisa proceed with the next level, which is to pull the chair. Teman-teman bisa tarikan kursinya dan mempersilahkan tamu tersebut untuk duduk. And just like before, you just have to say, allow me. Like that. Okay, very good. So that is basically what you do when you welcome guests that comes into the restaurant until they are seated in their table. Right. Tapi untuk dua contoh yang tadi adalah, dua skenario yang tadi adalah ketika tidak terjadi adanya masalah, right? Yaitu guestnya bersedia untuk duduk di tempat tersebut. Nah, bagaimana apabila ketika teman-teman mengantarkan tamu ke meja yang sudah direservasi, atau baik meja yang sudah direservasi ataupun meja yang teman-teman rekomendasikan, ternyata tamunya tidak suka sama meja tersebut, right? Kemudian tamunya bilang, oh saya nggak suka meja ini, saya tidak mau duduk di sini. Then what do you have to say, right? So the thing is that in a restaurant, the guests have the prerogative right. So you basically tamu memiliki hak yang absolut untuk memilih meja. Ketika tamu bilang, oh saya nggak mau duduk di sini, saya mau duduk di meja yang lain, then you have to respect that. Jadi Anda tidak bisa memaksa tamu tersebut untuk duduk di meja yang Anda rekomendasikan, right? So again, when that happens, you have to suggest another table. So for example, the guests say, oh I don't like to sit here, and then you have to ask, okay then where would you prefer to sit? Basically Anda tanya, mau duduk di mana? atau mau duduk di mana. So for example, the guest, I don't like to sit. I don't like this table. It's too close to the entrance. For example, saya nggak suka table ini karena terlalu dekat ke pintu masuk. Then you can ask, okay, where would you like to sit? Or where would you prefer to sit? Anda mau duduk di mana? Atau teman-teman juga bisa merekomendasikan table yang lain. Then you can say, alright ma'am, we have a very nice table at the back. It is next to the window, like that. You can say, oh baik kalau gitu, kami punya meja yang bagus di belakang yang berada di sebelah jendela, like that. So for example, the guest say, oh I don't like this table, it's too close to the entrance. Okay ma'am, we have a very nice table at the back that's next to a window. Would you like to see it? Apakah Anda mau lihat? Like that. Kemudian misalnya guestnya bilang okay, dan kemudian teman-teman harus kembali mengantarkan guest tersebut kepada meja tersebut, and just like that, and it basically go on to the previous cycle. You just say this way please, kemudian sudah sampai, is this table fine? Again, apabila tamunya sudah setuju, okay it's fine, and then you just pull the chair, allow me, like that. We're going to take a look at a conversation example, okay? So, let's start. Good evening. Welcome to ABC Restaurant. How can I help you? Alright, I would like to dine in. Okay, sir. May I have your name, please? Yes, Okay, we're going to start with an example, right? So, first, good evening. Welcome to ABC Restaurant. How can I help you? Yes, I would like to dine in. Okay, sir, do you have a reservation? Yes, I do. May I have your name, please? My name's Wijaya. Okay, Mr. Wijaya, this way, please. This is your table. Oh, I don't like this. I thought it's going to be closer to the window. Oh, okay, Mr. Wijaya, we have another table that's close to the window, but it's in the back. Would you like to see it? Oh, yes, please. Okay, then this way, please. This is the table. Is this table fine, Mr. Wijaya? Yeah, it's fine. Okay, then allow me. Thank you. So that is basically an example of a sequence of service of welcoming guests to the restaurant. Nah, setelah guestnya datang dan setelah guestnya duduk, kita akan mulai pada step dari sequence of service selanjutnya, which you will learn in the next video. So, for today's video, that is all. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to always practice, LA lovers, because that's how you get better. And I'll see you in the next video with more English material. Bye-bye.